Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rajesh Prasad, currently working at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College. So today I'm going to discuss equivalence of push down automata and CFG, right? So we know that every CFG can be converted into PDA, push down automata, and PDA can also be converted into the CFG, right? So this is the outline of the discussion. I'm going to discuss push down automata briefly, and then we'll discuss how CFG can be converted into PDA, and then PDA can be converted into CFG. So this is the machine model. As we know that in push down automata, like this is the input sigma. We call it like all the inputs are stored over here, and this is finite control. We call it Q, and this is like stack symbol. In the push down automata we have additional stack symbol gamma. This is known as stack symbol, right? So this is actually working as a storage for the automata, right? So what is happening, in if a finite automata is in current states Q, it will look at the sigma and it will look at the gamma also, right? So generally this is the definition. So PDA is going to be 7 tuple Q sigma, right? So this PDA machine is going to be 7 tuple Q sigma gamma delta Q0 and Z0 and F. This is the tuple definition of the push down automata. Okay. So generally Q is non-empty set of states and sigma is non-empty set of input symbol. Gamma we are calling it as a set of stack symbol. Q0 is starting state of the model finite automata. Z0 is big starting state, like bottom of stack. This we call it Z0. It is going to be bottom of stack, and F is set of final states, right? So generally delta is nothing but it is going to be Q cross. This by default push down automata is non-deterministic. So this means that it can take the moment on lambda also. Q cross this 2, this is non-deterministic. So this is going to be the situation Q cross sigma gamma star, right? So actually this is like changing the state. And a particular in a state, you look at input and you look at the current state of the stack symbol. So what is new? It will change the state and it will push or pop the symbol on the stack actually, right? So this is the symbol. So let's have one example that design a PDA to accept A and B, and right? So generally this is the stack is going to be used as a count for counting purpose. So how it is going to work? Like see, if we are working on A and B n, let's say n greater than or equal to 1. This is a language. Clear? That means it is clear that number of A is same as number of B, and all A precede B. All A should be before B. Okay. So you know how it work. Like let's say if we take W equal to triple A and triple B, right? So generally what we are doing, we are just taking like Q0 if we are at the beginning A, right? And currently Z0 is on the top of the stack. Clear? This is the situation. Then action is very simple. We are not changing the state, and corresponding to small a, capital A is going to be pushed onto the stack, right? While Z0 remain the same. So generally now, after looking at small a, your stack is looking like this. This is the situation of the stack. Okay. So again, if one like see here, next one is like delta. If you look at Q0 is small a, and now capital A is on top of stack. Okay. So when capital A is on top of stack, still you are not changing the state. In place of A, still we are pushing capital A and original A remain as it is. So this is the situation. Again on particular input Z0A, right? So this is going to be capital A. This is the situation on another input. Similarly, if you take another input A, still situation, Q0 is small a, capital A, this is the situation Z0, and this is A, this is A, this is A. This is the situation over here. So I see this we are done up to this point, right? And after, see this 3A and 3 capital A, that means it is especially counting, right? So what will happen, once on the particular state you are getting B and capital A, like after this we are getting B and top A is capital. So just like enter into state A and delete this, right? So delete this, remove the symbol from top. So this is going to be the situation, right? After getting B. See, so again after getting B, Q1, once you have entered into Q1, keep removing, keep deleting the symbol from the stack. So now Q1 B capital A, right? So still you are in Q1, okay, and still deleting. So this guy again deleted. So again we are going to get this, like this is the situation. Again what we are going to get on getting B, this is Z0 and this is the situation. Again on getting B, it is still deleted. So ultimately what we are going to get, all B exhausted, 3B exhausted. So your situation will be, this is like nothing B. So input is going to be epsilon. Still you are in Q1 and bottom of the stack will be having Z0. So definitely you have one option to enter into the final state and let stack remain as Z0, or this is another option you can try, that you remain in Q1 and empty the stack. This is also possible. Or third option is there, that like you remain in right final state, enter final state and empty the stack. So three options, because our push down automata is accepting languages from three directions. Like one, entering into the final state. Second one, just removing the symbol from empty the stack, and third one, enter into final state and remove the symbol from the stack. So this will like ensure that all the longer word which of the form AN, BN is going to be accepted. Look at here, it is still going to be categorized as non-deterministic, but question is that it is not like accepting input on all these symbols, not necessary, right? So this is instantaneous description of PDA, Q, W and gamma, alpha. Like Q is star, any state, W is input, and alpha is like element of the gamma star, right? This means it can be element of the stack. Okay, so as I said that it is going to be accept the language by three means. One is like all W belong to sigma star, such that starting from Q0, keeping W here, and initially Z0 is bottom of stack, this can enter into the by machine. It can like remain in any queue, just empty store. So this is LM by empty store, right? And the second one, empty, like LM by final state. This is nothing but W belong to sigma star, Q0 and W and Z0. This is going to be final state. This is going to be the final, and this can be any element. Is not necessary to be empty. It can be any element of the stack, right? So in both the situation, language accepted by both means, right? So if you see here, W belong to sigma star, like start from Q0 W and then Z0. This is going to be final state, and you can empty the stack also. So it is accepting the language by 3 means. This is the acceptance of the language of the PDF. Okay, so next one is like how CFG can be converted into PDA. So theorem is very important. Any CFG can be converted into equivalent PDA with empty stack, right? This is going to accept the language with empty stack such that LG equal to LM. So question is very simple that like you are given G, any CFG, G is V sigma SP. This is just context free grammar and your target is to convert into push down automata. M is Q, sigma, gamma, delta, Q0 and Z0 and this is F. Clear? So now target is to convert this grammar into the PDA, right? So that means this is given and we are going to get the PDA. This is to get. Clear? Yes. So what we are going to have, capital Q is a single state we are going to get. Okay. Only we are going to get single state. Okay. Sigma remains sigma. We are done up to this. Gamma is actually non-terminal and terminal together. So gamma is nothing but non-terminal and terminal together. V union sigma. Okay. And Q0 is a single state. So this remain starting. Z0 is actually starting state of this Z0. Okay. Yes, and the final is going to be nothing. There is no final because this accept the language by empty store, right? Yes, so we got 6 tuple and the delta is going to be calculated by some rules, right? So what is the rule of the delta? Delta R1 rule, there are 2 rules for delta. Rule number 1 and rule number 2. So delta for each production, we are given CFG, production of the farm A goes to alpha. Suppose for each production of the farm A goes to alpha, we are going to use delta Q comma lambda comma this capital A is on top of stack, right? So you are going to get Q and this capital A is replaced by alpha. Clear? This is rule number 1 for each production because you have CFG. So every CFG is having of the production of the farm A goes to alpha. A is a non-terminal, alpha is terminal and non-terminal any element. V union sigma star. And this guy is A actually. So this is the rule number 1. Okay. And for rule number 2, for each terminal, we are going to include Q A comma A is going to empty the stack. It's very important, right? For every A belong to sigma. For every A belong to sigma, you are going to empty the stack. Clear? Q A, Q lambda. Clear? This is very simple. So we are only having 2 rules for this delta. Okay, let's have one example. Like see, suppose our grammar is like S goes to 0 BB. This is the grammar. Okay, and B goes to 0S or 1S or 0. Okay, these are the symbols, and this is additional question that test whether this is element of the language or not. So by rule number 1, clear? Let us have rule number 1. This is A, this is alpha. Okay, this is A and this is alpha. So for this we are going to include Q comma lambda comma left hand side is on top of the stack. So this is yes, and this is going to be Q comma 0 BB. Q comma 0 BB. Okay, this is replaced by this. Okay, still rule number 1 is going to use for this Q comma lambda comma and this is B actually. Okay, so this is B. So we have 3 actions, right? Q comma 0S, this is action number 1, and second action is Q comma 1S and third action is Q comma 0. This is the action. Okay, because of the rule number 1. From rule number 2, we have two input 0 and 1. So we are going to have delta q comma 0 comma 0, delta q comma 1 comma 1. We are going to empty the stack, so this become q comma lambda. That is it. Very simple rule, right? Yes. So these are the delta. Now question is coming that okay, check whether 0 1 0 to the power 4 is in language or not. So it's very simple. So like you can start with this 0 1 0 to the power 4. This is the one, and initially starting symbol will be here. Okay, so this is the situation. Starting symbol will be here. So now Q0s we cannot get. Q0s is not defined. So lambda is there. Initially you cannot get lambda. So Q lambda s is there. Q lambda s is there. Okay. So there are this is the only one option. Q lambda s q comma 0. So this is going to be q comma 0 1 0 to the power 4. S is going to be 0 bb. Okay. Yes. So now Q00, it is going to empty the stack. So this will remain Q comma 1 0 to the power 4, then BB. Okay. Yes. Now Q1B, not defined. Q lambda B. There are many options. This is the option. This is the option. This is the option. Q lambda B. Okay. So Q lambda B, we cannot use the first option because this is 0s and you have 1 here. So we have to use the second option. So Q comma 1 0 to the power 4, and this guy B. This guy B is replaced by 1 and S. This is the system. Okay. Yes. Now Q1 and 1. Same. It is going to like remove the symbols, right? So now this is Q0 to the power 4 and S again. Right. Now Q0 to the power 4, 0 S is not defined. So Q lambda S, only one alternative is there. Okay. So this will be like Q0 to the power 4, S is going to be 0 double B. Very simple. Okay. Only one option. Q00. Yes, Q00 is finished. So now Q0 000 remain, and then B and B cancel, right? Yes, 1 0 and that other 0 is cancelled. And now Q0B is not defined, so you will get Q lambda B, and Q lambda B we have many options, right? So we can go because we need 0, so it's better to use this option, right? Q lambda B, or you can use like this option 0, but it will not solve the purpose. So it's better that Q0B, like lambda B, we should be using like 0 yes. This option is the one. Okay. Yes is 0. Yes. So what this is going to be Q00, and B is replacing 0 and yes, and this is B. Okay. And now this is cancelled. Okay. Q lambda S is no. So you see here there may be like mistake Q10. This is like okay, Q0S. We got like Q lambda S. Q lambda S is 0 triple B. Yes. So we are here up to this, correct? So Q00 cancel out. Q lambda Q, yes, Q00 cancel out. So it will be like Q then 000 and then BB. Yes. Q lambda B is not Q lambda B, we can go on this option, right? Yes, we can go on this option. So Q then and Q then 00, and this is B 000, and B is replacing 0. B is replacing 0. B. Clear? Yeah, this option is clear. Now, by continuing this, you will get double 0 and then B. Q lambda B is still not defined, so B is going to be like, so you see here Q lambda B again continue in the way, will be getting like star Q lambda and lambda. After continuing in similar way, we'll be getting empty store, right? So let's have another example. Like, see, suppose this is the grammar for S goes to ASB and AB. This is the grammar for language equal to AN and BN, N greater than or equal to 1. So, like from rule number 1, if you design delta Q comma lambda comma S, so this is going to be Q comma ASB and then Q comma AB. Okay, yes, this is the situation. And from rule number 2, we'll be getting Q, since we have input A and A, this is input going to be B and B, so this is going to be Q comma lambda. Clear? So suppose we are getting W equal to AA and BB. How it will process? You can start this AABB and S is on the top of the symbol. QAS not defined, Q lambda S defined. Okay, so what we are going to get? This is the option. You can use this Q comma AABB, S is going to be ASB. This guy will cancel out. Again Q A double B and S B B. Yes, B. Okay. Now Q lambda S is defined. Again you are going to get AB. Okay. So after this you will get A double B and S goes to AB, S goes to ABB. So it's very simple. It will QAA cancelled out. Okay. And then Q double B and double B, and this will also cancel out. So you will get QB and B, and also it will cancel out. Same is going to be terminating. Therefore, we can say that AABB is part of the LM. So it's very simple procedure for converting CFG into the PDF. Similarly, you can also design CFG PDF for WWR. W belong to AB star. Just to remember the CFG. Once you remember the CFG, ASA or BSB or lambda. It's very simple. Once this is the CFG, you can easily design the push down automata. This is cheaper option than just like going other way of computing, designing the push down automata for this. So these are the references. Thanks for watching.